Jeffries go suck your mother too. We not talk about to know and back people and talk about Pitney and talk about Pitney off limits. So one thing woman will just have Pitney.
Fish Dawg, me never want really trouble you, but me I say, you know. But me I got trouble you, because you like to be seen, Fish Dawg. But Fish Dawg, what are we the mattress story about you? Then I first me say answer me. Me rascal, then Fish Dawg, you know normally answer me when me trouble you. But that mattress story, the connect, it connect like a blood clot can. It connect in your skin.
See them up in that town. How the blood clot is starting. Check, bad man me on the town, bro. Big blood clot in the chat, the top of my bro. Yeah, outside BRT weekend. Big breeze. I'm too Freddy, man. Freddy, bro. Freddy, bro. Get that bus up. I said you would need.
Welcome back, people, to another episode of Vibes and Insight with Nando, with yours truly, Nando Boss and I building. So on the latest news, we heard that Coco dancehall, or I should say reggae icon Coco passed away. I think it was sometime yesterday or between this morning. So reggae icon Coco passed away. You know, reggae icon Coco is legendary already. Him stamp him name permanently in the industry. So RIP to Coco and condolences to his family and friends. You know it, go man. I need to follow up on some more of the topic as it pertains to Coco but you know it, go man. I said go RIP to Coco and his family, condolences, and you know all the well wishes to his family and friends. So on other news, we have Squash friend, dancehall artist Squash, one of his friend or one of his posse was found dead in a parking lot. It's alleged that he was in an altercation where he lost his life. Well, you can't sorry for people like them because they mix up in their badness. But he was in an altercation where him and somebody were at it and the person caught him up, leave him there to suffer in blood when the South Florida police came up on the scene and found his body on the ground suffering from gunshot wound. He goes by the name Bones or Elgate. So Squash friend Elgate, but apparently it is said that he was being set up by Squash, or the calling was go ahead by Squash to take him out, because it is somehow in some sense it says that he has something to do with the whole investigation or interrogation with the police or some sort that him is an informant to the police. I don't know how true that be, but y'all let me know in the comment section. So I have some clippings with him before he was dead, when he was alive. And on the other news again, we have World Dog going at it with Blamdem, because y'all know that Blamdem was on an interview with Jeffrey on Let's Be Honest podcast, and he was saying some stuff, and he mentioned World Dog's name and World Dog's baby mother, saying that she's a Florida matcha. So World Dog came in defense of his baby mother, and he was going at it with Blamdem, and him and Blamdem I go back and forth with it. So in this episode, I will just be playing some clip for you guys, and y'all tell me what you think in the comment section. You know it, go man. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and share the channel. And you know how it goes. Stay tuned for all the latest updates. So let's go straight right to the topic of World Dog and Blamdem.
Who Jeffries go suck your mother too? We not talk about to know and back people and talk about Pitney and talk about Pitney off limits. So one thing woman will just have Pitney. One thing woman will just have Pitney. You need no trouble nobody, you need no beg, you need no come over here, so she don't do nothing like that. Nothing. But you talk about Florida much, I say you talk about your mother, Kimmy Smith. We're in a party. Every young man feel up her pussy. Come on, Blamdem, take a joke of yourself now. Take a real blood clot joke of yourself. I mean, don't care what nobody wants, I'm going to defend me woman, go suck out to the mother too. Brawling. So we have come talk about people. You have to understand, so you have a mother. When a dancer, bumbo clap boy, you walk up and down, Blamdem. I mean, don't care what nobody wants to say. Pussy. You know how long you call me name and me not answer you. Me act like you not exist. But what you see, you no go for my blood clot household, you have to go kill me in this pussy hole, yeah. You have to kill me in this. A little batty boy on him elbow. You need used to talk to him at you want look a suck cock boy elbow. Make your friend them give you no address pussy and no come on here. You know what talk about address to my friend and then on the batty boy. Go suck out to the mother. On the real mother too. Cause no bad boy, no batty boy. What to know?
Yeah, people, that is World Dog a clot Blamdem and him a clot Jeffrey at the same time. But it's apparent that they all know each other in Florida, you know. The whole of them know them one another live. So I don't understand how them youth are got it with them one another. It don't make no sense, but you know, sometimes it's all like French turn enemy situation or people know people and them a war. Florida is such a big state. For them Jamaican, for them toxic Jamaican, I go at it with them one another. Why not just move from another state and go somewhere else? But we have Blamdem here in the clip where it all started with him disrespecting World Dog. Me not condone a man a disrespect another man, baby mother. If you target a man, fine, but if you go drag the man, baby mother night, me not really condone that. So people make me know want to think about that same part. But I'm going to play the clip with Blamdem before and after when him at this World Dog.
I didn't World Dog. What is she on World?
You know you're the father.
What is she on World Dog?
Bad man, me and them man, they not bad man. Them man, they are waste man, bro. Yo, man, give mother a further match, you know, bro. If you come a Florida and fuck that the girl, bro, it's like you never come a Florida yet. Your man take up Florida match, bad man. World Dog a waste man, bad man. World Dog can't talk to me, bad man. World Dog a waste batty boy, dog. Fish dog, me ain't really trouble you know, but me I say, you know. But me I got trouble you, cause you like to be seeing fish dog. But fish dog, what are we the mattress story about you? Then I first me say answer me. Me rascal, then fish dog, you know normally answer me when me trouble you. But that mattress story, the connect. It connect like a blood clot can. It connect in your skin, in your belly, in your gut. Fish dog, it connect in, man. Then fish dog. Then in the face, everybody knows that Yannick a mattress. I don't know who knew all people. When me that talk, you know, it whole blood clot Florida and Jamaica know say I don't lie me I tell. So you want me name out who got there? Fire Reds, Elbow Man, Buffo. No, me nah but I got this. So hold on, I'm showing a picture with him and them. Well, moving forward. Fish dog, be yourself here. Over there right now in our home, go live and show a backyard. Over here, so in the seat there, I see him also a carved park up on the front. Hold on, me show you one picture with him on the front. Hold on, me go get one picture. Hold on. See it a paper. I said front part on the yard.
That is it for the Blamdem and the World Dog situation. So we have Hellgates here, so as him call him Bones, him have two aliases, Hellgates and Bone. So we have him here so in our video with Squash in our house, and this a way before him dead, so it can point to the fact say yo they were friends with one another and them hang out and all sort of things. So I don't know how true it may be as it's alleged that a Squash set him up or Squash give the go ahead for take him out. So we have him here in our video with Squash, a easy back and a vibe with some songs, and me I play the video for you. Me have a couple videos with him, so me I go play them back to back so you can get the idea who Hellgates is. As you see him face full of a beer tattoo and beer thing just like him musical friend Squash. So me I play the video and check it out and make me know what you think.
Blamdem set up Squash Friend. That's why him know. Talk about Hellgate pan him live.
How the blood clot is starting. Check. Bad man on the town, bro. Blood clot in the chat, the top of high, bro. Yeah, outside, BRT weekend. Big breeze, Miami, outside. Six himself, Brian, Zombie, Grim YG, Spice, Mosquito. We're outside. We used to kill us.
So that is the man called Bones otherwise called L Gates. He might have so much aliases, but his given name is Anthony Scotsman. That is Anthony Scotsman Gates, L Gates. Once squashes one of Squash's Batman friend them. So on to the other topic where we are celebrate Coco T and all that he has done for the culture also. And I have a couple of performances here that I'm going to play for you guys, so you guys can know and remember Coco T. Remember Coco T, a big Coco T, where those songs with all Beanie Man and whole heap of songs. And I'm going to play some clippings. And he also put coffee. He also brought coffee out on the stage so the whole public can know who is Coffee. And him are the first person to really showcase Coffee talent and put her out there and push her, in other words, to say, yo, make she get big and get Grammy and get label, all of that. So may I play some clippings for you, and you know, our vibes and insight with Nando Man with another one. And make sure again, like, subscribe, and share, and hit that post notification bell. You know, I'm out. Mad thing. Peace.
Such a winning Coco T in the lawn. Coco T in the lawn, but here I am, droning off these memories again. And just when I thought time would set me free, you know that all those sexy girls have an hold on me, and only you, oh Lord, the feeling I never once knew. And oh, deep in 2017 I went to Rebel Salute, and I bring on a female artist on stage and tell them, say, this is going to be the next sensation from Jamaica. The biggest sensation going to run Jamaica and run the world. And them say, Coco T, a fool, a joke. Well, I'm going to tell you something now. Here comes the biggest female sensation out of Jamaica. Original Coffee! Tell them!
Ragamuffin reggae beat, dance all on the street, can't stand nor defeat. 2030 we still a do it, every stage show we still a keep. Every big song them a repeat, them a respond in a them feet, them a clap hand. We get them out to talk in our altar back and now.
Pull up! Them things can't sing like that. Go on, Tony. Show respect, we respect Joe. Nothing can test. Tell them, Coffee.
Holy Mount Zion, I'm coming home to you. I face a lot of trials and tribulation, but through all of that I must still stand strong, giving thanks and praise to the Almighty One, and looking forward to reach Mount Zion. And I man say, Zion, I'm coming home to